What is the theme of the International E-Waste Day 2021? Consumer is the key to circular economy. How much amount has been approved by India as a line of credit to Kyrgyzstan to support development projects in the country? $200 million US. The Renewable Energy Country Attractiveness Index is published by which entity? Ernst and Young. The International Standards Day is marked every year on which date worldwide? October 14. Name the digital platform launched by the Center for Holistic and Integrated Infrastructure Development to provide multi-modal connectivity to economic zones in the country. PM Gati Shakti. What is India's rank in the Henley Passport Index 2021? $90. Who has been appointed as the new CEO of Energy Efficiency Services Limited? Arun Kumar Mishra. What is the projected GDP growth rate of the global economy as per IMF in 2021? %5.9%. The retail inflation declined to what percent in September mainly due to lower food prices according to government data released? %4.35%. Which country has topped the ISSF Junior World Championship with a total tally of 43 medals? India. Who has been awarded the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Award for Excellence in 2021? Dr. Randeep Guleria. What is the projected rate of GDP growth for the Indian economy in the financial year 2021-22 as per the IMF? %9.5%. The Government of India has accorded which of these statuses to the Power Finance Corporation Limited? Maharatna. The first ever automated driverless train in the world has been unveiled in which country? Germany. The mobile app Fishwala is launched by which state as India's first e-fish market? Assam.